Oh, that's zoomed in a little too far. Welcome back to Land House. We are about to have a family day to the big city of Asheville, but in the meantime, and when I say meantime, I mean while Ashley showers and puts on makeup, so I've got 2 hours. We broke 2 more chairs. So this one, as you can see, yep, it's pretty well broken. And that one is also broken. So we got all of our chairs rather cheap, and there are definitely consequences to going cheap. But luckily they are wood. So today I'm going to use some Tri-Bond 3 with some clamps here and get this chair put back together. And later on, probably tomorrow, I will work on that one. I think I'm gonna let gravity help me out here a little bit. Get some glue in this spot. Nice to be able to use my new clamp for the first time. Sorry to interrupt, but if you would, click the description below this video and watch Ashley's newest video on her channel. She and I are starting a new series where we talk about unexplained things, murders or ghost stories or whatever she decides would be fun for that week. So open a new tab, and after you watch that video, enjoy the rest of this video. Thanks. Turns out Emma's feeling sick, so we did not go to shop in town, but I got the chair fixed up. I'm gonna sit in it and see if it will hold my weight or if it's going to have some issues here. Looks pretty decent. Didn't get it quite as lined up as I should have, but let's see. I didn't get the other one done yet because the crack isn't all the way through, and so I'm probably going to break it and then re-glue it. We'll see. I actually just made a really awesome meal of chili. Ate 2 bowls and they're just really good, but sadly we've been flushing hamburger grease down the sink for the past year, and it's finally stopped up. Yeah, I won't show you that again. So I think I'm going to climb under the sink with a trash can and see if I can't get this cleaned out. This is a little lower than I was expecting, but I think it's still going to work. So let me just give this a try. Oh, that's far too loose. I'll have to tighten that next time. That could have been nasty if it leaked. Oh boy. Hey babe, yeah? I need you pretty quick here. If you go to get another trash can from maybe the other room. I'm holding this valve because there was more water in here than I thought. Well, that escalated quickly. I actually had to go get a second trash can, and she had to dump this one once. There was so much water in there. But anyway, the trap definitely is full of grease, so I'm gonna go clean that out real quick. Well, that was a mess, but we're good now, thankfully. Over the past week, I've been using Emma's nap time to put siding on the building. Check this out. This whole side has been sheathed, which is great. I got a panel over here, and I need to get the basically 2 pieces left. One sheet goes there, and the other sheet will go on the very top as a little corner piece. And let's go over here. This side is all done, except of course for the trim work on the edges. And then the front you've seen before, but all it needs is the little triangle piece up here at the top, which you can't really see, but so nice to have all of that done. Now inside, of course, it's a terrible mess, but I was able to get that panel in and here above the door, and so it's looking really nice. And then I also worked a little bit more and got a fourth piece of this insulation in up here on the top. But so for today's nap time, I'm going to be working more on getting this insulation installed. So I'm probably going to start working just more on these and get this whole side done. Emma and I are heading to town. I'm going to take a ram pump order to the post office, and then we're going to stop by the hardware store and get the second and last bag of 24-inch on-center R13 for the ceiling of the workshop. I've really been getting that finished. I got all 10 panels of the first bag installed, and I've got 10 more to go. So I'm really wanting to get all of that finished so I can bring you some nice, decent content for the workshop coming up soon. Let's see, also, the workbench that I'm planning on making is going to have some rollers, some caster wheels, and I want to make them myself. There's a company that makes the Rockler caster wheel, and they're 70 bucks. Oops, my alarm. So the Rockler caster wheels, they are like $65 to $70 for the set of 4. And I bought some caster wheels on eBay for $7, the pack of 4. And I'm gonna see if I can get some U-channel from a local metal shop and make them myself. So that'll be a fun project, but it should be, I should be able to make all 4 of them for less than $10. So if I could save 60 bucks, it's definitely worth doing. But anyway, let's go to town. The search for the U-channel in town was a bust, so I may think about making these caster wheels out of wood. But anyway, we got our insulation, and I need your help, or your opinion here. On the front of the workshop, I'm going to have a roof, and I've got the metal over here. I've got several pieces of maybe 5 foot, and then one 16 foot. Now I can get another 16-foot piece if I need to. There's at least 3 or 4 more in my friend's old house, and I can just pick it up whenever I want. But should I make the roof come out just straight like bleh, or should I make it kind of match? Excuse this torn up piece here, I'm about to fix that, but should I match this, or should I just come straight out? So anyway, it kind of matches the house. I was thinking if I just came out with the A-frame shape. But anyway, just give your thoughts. Should I come out 2 sheets worth to cover the entire porch, or should I just come out 1, like split that 16 into 2 pieces and come out just 1 piece? So anyway, it would come out, you know, midway, enough to keep water from getting into the door here. I was thinking about building the back door kind of like the air conditioner spot here, just a simple covering to keep any water from getting to the door itself. So tell me what you think. I could make it a little bit bigger, of course, but it would be up top of the back door and just cover it enough to keep out any kind of water, snow and stuff. Looks like I need to clean out the gutters. I forgot to do that a few months ago, and they're looking kind of crowded. Oh man. Yeah. Well, it's about 10:15 or so at night. that mask hurts. Ashley's not feeling well at all, and Emma's been sick, so they both went to bed about 8:15. Well, I've been out here working for a little while, and I've got these air vents in, and then got several more insulation bats there, because we went to the store and bought the remainder here. Luckily, 2 bags is exactly what I need. So this side is done except for the end, as you can see. So anyway, I've been working hard. So on the gable end up here, I am going to probably bring out these 2x4s a bit there, and insulate that whole wall and get that fixed up. And where that board is right there, that's going to be the ceiling. And so I'm going to cut across there and have another air gap up there where the gable end vent is going to be. Anyway, so that's in the future. Man, so it's nighttime now, but the back side of the building here, I decided to go ahead and get a piece of the trim, or the hardy siding on. And I thought, yeah, I'll cut it. It was 72 inches by 4 feet. And boy, was it heavy. So I got it up on the ladder, almost into position. And it's got snagged on the house wrap. Boy, you never seen somebody so mad. Anyway, so I managed to get it back to the ground, and I just cut it in half and put it up in 2 sections because it was just too heavy for one person. But boy, it was scary, and I got so angry. But it's up now, so what I have left, I'll have to show you tomorrow, but it's just the top triangular piece and a little piece above the door, and then right up here. So it is so close. But anyway, time for bed. This week I really didn't make any videos besides this vlog, you may have noticed. And that's because just kind of taking a break. I've got I think close to 800 videos on the channel, and sometimes you just gotta not film for a little while. But I made a list of video ideas, and I had like 30 something on there, so I'm not out of ideas. I just needed a break. I realized that earlier when I was asking about the workshop roof, I wasn't very clear. I'm basically just wanting to know, should I go straight out with a flat roof or make an A-frame? I'm thinking A-frame, and also I kind of just want to do the one panel, but it may look weird. So anyway, got some ram pump parts in. Hopefully they're all there with this opened box. Yeah. Like that. This afternoon, or it's 4:30, it's rained all day. I just went to town and I filmed 4 videos with a doctor who is, so I said I'm not going to film this week, but I filmed 4 videos for somebody else. He is needing to promote his business some, so I did that for him. Yeah, but tonight, after Emma goes to bed, and Ashley will be there with her because she's sick, I'm going to come back out here to the building, and I'm going to work on getting more of the ceiling insulation in. I wanted to show you this back side of the building where I worked on it yesterday. I got those 2 panels up top, so all that's left is this little triangular piece. And one of the things that made it so difficult was there is tons of mud down there. So, well, I hope you have enjoyed this. I hope you have enjoyed this week's vlog. I will try and get 2 videos out next week that are not the vlog, so you have more content to watch. But for now, I'm going to sign off here. But remember, if you're sad about missing more videos, I have almost 800 on the channel, so enjoy some of the older stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.